I have never been to Trader Joe's before. I'm going for a walk. A morning skin routine to my channel. How are you doing today? Hope all is well. I'm just doing it on my Mario Badescu lip mask. Okay, so we're gonna use the Fresh Lotus-Terizer. I like to get the mini size of certain things because I've never used this moisturizer before from Fresh. So I was like, let me just get the mini size and see how that works. And I am obsessed with it. I love it. So I'm gonna go back to Sephora to purchase it because I love it. And it smells really spa-like. It has this like eucalyptus. It has this really clean, fresh smell to it, and I am obsessed with it. Up motion about with this, and especially with your neck. Okay, and that is that. And then don't forget your hands. Light wrinkle instrument. I'm sorry, this is a lot of wording on here, so that's why sometimes I look at the box. But it's really good. I saw it on TikTok, and I was like, ooh, but I didn't get it from TikTok. It was from Amazon. So we're just gonna go up like this. So I usually do like 5 times. Vitamin C. This is Caviar Bomb from Pixi. It's almost empty, but it is my favorite as well. I will purchase this. This is probably going to be like an every 3-month purchase because it's so good. So yeah, I love this. This is nice for my cuticles when I'm doing my nails. Para Beauty, and you know, give it a good squeeze and just put it around your cuticles. Especially, it's really nice when you're doing, like when you have your nails. And that's it. Go like that and you're good to go. This is so good and so good. It smells so nice. And just with it, bought this from Sephora lip mask. You can see it is completely empty. One, because I am obsessed. I love it. You know, like I love a good lip gloss or lip mask, and it smells really nice. It smells like candy, cotton candy. Yeah, it's really nice. So that's empty, but I did purchase this perfume, like Sure Spice. It has chai, I believe. It just has this really nice, and I am obsessed with it. And it has this like lingering smell to it, but it's really good. It's my favorite. I am obsessed with it. Of course, my Jisoo hair perfume. Give it a good spritz and you're good to go. It's very fresh, it's very feminine, and I just love it. And it has honey in it, so it's really good. And you can see it's almost not empty, but there's a dent in it, and this is like my favorite so far for hair. So I am going to run some errands today. I'm going to Amazon to drop off some packages. I ordered some dresses for my daughter. She's tall, taller than me. I'm just 5'5", but my daughter, I think she's 5'7". So yeah, most of the dresses did not fit her, so I'm returning that. And then I'm going to check out Trader Joe's. I have never been to Trader Joe's before. Yeah, never. And one just opened by my house, like 10 minutes away from here. So I want to, and also purchase some items as well. Oh, I'm about to sneeze. Excuse me. So yeah, and then I'm gonna have breakfast. I saw this prosciutto baguette ham with brie cheese on Pinterest. I'm gonna try it out, and then drizzle honey on the prosciutto ham. So that should be delicious. And I have like work things. I have really bad allergies. Oh my goodness, and I have to run some errands. So what I have on is my H&M dress, jewelry, my Loewe dupe. So I ended up changing because that dress was just way too much. So just putting on some red top and linen pants. So I'm about to step out now. So yeah, I'm gonna have on my glasses. Because without my glasses, I cannot see the road. We don't want that. All right. Basket bag, brown sandals, red top, and red linen pants. All right, that's my outfit. So I want to go to Trader Joe's. But I'm trying to think, like, how do I get into Trader Joe's? I'm gonna have to like figure this one out. Let's see. Need to like open my blinds. Want some like fresh air. Just opening my blinds. So yeah, I went to Trader Joe's. I bought some items. Their shopping center, it's okay. It's a little bit stressful, but I'll show you what I got. Alright, so this is the Trader Joe's bag. It's so cute. Alright, so I went to a Freak, got some Scotch bonnet peppers and plantain. So this is red bell peppers because I'm gonna make stew. And then I have plantains. And I love plantains. So have that with stew probably. I didn't really get too much because I wanted to like check it out. Got cilantro. And I have dill. It's so hot outside that my box melted. But I got this because it kind of reminds me of the croissant that you get from Starbucks. So I got that. And I want to make, I forgot this bagel thing with the salmon and dill and cream cheese. I'm going to look it up. So I got this for my daughter, pancake pot. Okay, I got this one. This one is lemon pepper chicken. I can't wait to try this out. Maybe I might have it over a salad or something like that. But yeah, that's what I got.